Who are the Taliban and why do they want to capture Afghanistan? Literally translating to students in English, the Taliban first emerged in the 1990s amid infighting between Mujahideen warlords of Afghanistan. It has been 20 years since the Taliban government in Afghanistan was uprooted by the United States in 2001. Now, as the US-led foreign forces leave the country, Taliban has never been closer to claiming over the war-torn country in the last 2 decades. Taliban is quickly gaining ground. Estimates suggest the outfit controls around three-fifths of the country. In the last week, the Taliban has captured vital cities like Kandahar and Herat. It stands not more than 150 kilometers away from challenging the Afghanistan government in capital Kabul. As per NATO, Taliban is stronger than it has been at any point in time since the 2001 downfall. It currently has around 85,000 fighters among its ranks. Afghanistan is on the verge of an all-out civil war between the Taliban and the President Ashraf Ghani-led democratically elected government. The conflict has already claimed tens of thousands of lives and displaced millions more in its lifetime. The US intelligence fears that Taliban could topple the government in a matter of months, reversing Afghanistan to the idea of an Islamic state. Who are Taliban? Taliban is a Pashto word that literally means students in English. The Taliban emerged as an Islamist movement in the early 1990s and its formation can be traced back to northern Pakistan. The Taliban origins can be traced back to late 1970s when thousands of Afghan mercenaries were trained in Pakistan to take on the erstwhile USSR's occupation of Afghanistan. These fighters included Mullah Muhammad Omar, the future founder of Taliban, backed by the US. These Mujahideen fighters forced the USSR to withdraw from the Afghanistan. The Taliban rise came at a time when the USSR troops had withdrawn from the country and Afghanistan was under chaotic rule of Mujahideen warlords. From southwest of Afghanistan, the Taliban rapidly gained territory and captured capital Kabul in 1996, ousting the Afghan Mujahideen government in the process. Of Talibanis referred to themselves as the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. The people of Afghanistan had grown tired of the Mujahideen warlords infighting and the corruption strangulating the common man. Taliban was welcomed and grew in popularity on the back of successful curbing corruption and crime, thus making the right environment for economic activity to flourish. However, Taliban's rule introduced a strict interpretation of Sharia law which came with punishments like public executions and amputations of body parts. They made burqa compulsory for women and beards for men, banned all forms of entertainment and condemned girl education in Afghanistan. But the Taliban regime met its end in the aftermath of 9/11 World Trade Center in the US. The US accused Taliban of giving refuge to Osama bin Laden and his outfit Al Qaeda, who were identified as being behind the terror attack. The US uprooted the Taliban from power in Afghanistan in less than 2 months in December 2001. Senior Talibani leaders evaded capture and the group became an insurgent outfit, targeting the Afghan government and civilians as well as the US-led foreign troops on peacekeeping missions in the country. Why the Taliban want to capture Afghanistan? Gradually gaining territory and expanding in numbers under its current leader Malwali Hibatullah Ajujada, the Taliban promises to restore peace and security to its predominantly Pashtun cadre and followers alongside the enforcement of a strict version of the Islamic law or Sharia. The Taliban of 2021 pledged to keep Afghanistan from becoming a hub of terrorism against the West. The US and Taliban came to a peace deal in February 2020 after around 2 years of talks. While the US commits to a withdrawal, the Taliban has promised not to attack its troops or allowing outfits like Al Qaeda sanction sanctuary in Afghanistan. While Taliban's international acknowledgement was restricted to only 3 countries, the last time it was in power, the outfit is already working on establishing diplomatic relations through senior leaders stationed in Doha, Qatar. Thank you.